really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In this city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
We're just meandering around in Chongqing, China. We're looking down at stuff like that. And we're also looking up at stuff like that. And then we got a bridge all the way down as well. The bridge goes over the river, so we got that as well. So we're gonna just meander around, and I'm gonna try to navigate what I can navigate and see what we can see. So stay tuned for another slice of Chongqing. Do you know where you are, baby? You're in Chongqing, mainland China. Cool city. And we're gonna get lost on Beixi Road, and I've been lost on this road before. To be honest, I'll explain how I film. So I went to Chongqing and I filmed all within maybe 4 or 5 days. And so then I put it into little blocks. So this is actually video number 33 of 39. But I was on another video where I did this video, and I also labeled it the same name, Beixi. But it'll also be in the thumbnail at the end of this video if you wanted to see me get lost on Beixi Road in that particular one. And I'm still meandering around, and I'm still on the same road again. But I'm figuring it out, and now I kind of, so this one we're gonna explore a little bit and then jump on a bus and all kinds of cool stuff. You probably saw some of that in the previews. So anyways, I got the music up there, and I know that you don't wanna just hear me talk about it, but you wanna feel it as if you were there yourself. So we're gonna do the walk and talk time, and you can hear me narrate and explore and show you what it's like in Chongqing, video 33 of 39. So yeah, actually if you look through this a little bit, you can just see like layers and layers of stuff. So we're kind of like living in it's my umbrella, like a three-dimensional city, because you got layers underneath you and on top of you and different places. So even right in here, you know, there's like layers underneath, right? It's a lot of steps, canyon kind of stuff everywhere. And then you look up and you got tall buildings everywhere as well. So these would be an example of going down. And we're going to be walking this way, of course. And I think I'm going to be going up this hill, trying to get to another part of Chongqing. along this peninsula. So yeah, stay with me. Show you where we end up. Kind of want to find out myself. Where the heck am I going? So this park looks like we got like stairs. Oh, I feel like I already went here. Oh no. I think I just went in a complete circle. Oh no. I didn't really want to do a circle like that. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get off the circle, because actually I already went all the way up here and I went across, and then I went around, and I thought I went over there, and I must have went around in a circle somehow and came back over here. Dang it. It's so crazy. So anyways, that's what's going on in my life. How about with yours? But this video would be a little bit short if I ended right here, so I'm gonna just try to navigate out of here. Wish me luck with that. Sheesh. You know what I'm gonna do? I think what I really want to do is I want to get to the right, and there's people going down this hill right here. Oh no, actually they're coming back up. So they were gonna go down. Now there looks like they're coming back up. So that might not be an option for me either. Oh man. So I guess maybe just take a look down that road, down that way myself real quick. Dang it. How am I gonna do this? Do I take the chance and go down? Oh, it's a gate. This one might be called Lost in Chongqing. Oh look, I can go underneath. Well, I'm not really, I'm just kind of going in circles anyway, so if I do go underneath, I think it's fine. And I'm a little bit curious what I might see underneath. I see a camera, which I guess is good. And if I do go underneath, it looks like something like this. Huh. So now we're in the labyrinth of Chongqing. Through little holes. I can look down at the parking lot down there. There's cameras in here, which is actually comforting, to be honest. And now I'm over here, but what am I going to do over here? That's the next issue. I think I'm just going to end up going in circles. They're going up that way. I don't know. Well, this is definitely part of the Chongqing experience. So all I really did is just came over to this other side. Unsure where to go. Basically what I want to do is I want to get over there. But I know that blocks, it just goes, people go illegally down. That's all blocked. This goes in a circle which goes up through here. So there's like no way to really navigate this. And I was already over here earlier, so that's not gonna work. Ah, man. I'll figure it out. You get to experience the Chongqing experience as well with me. Kind of cool. He's doing a usual way of doing push-ups. Have you seen that style before? Okay. So I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to kind of meander around until I get to either a train, or I might just take a taxi if I can, or I can just jump on a bus, see where it goes. Anyways, Chongqing experience 2024. Okay, I decided what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a random bus. I don't know what to expect, but we'll just take whatever comes along, and then we'll see which direction it goes, and then we're going to jump off when we see a train station. So I don't know, it could be either a really bad idea or an interesting idea. So we're just sitting here waiting for the bus, and I guess this is called like Ring Road. So this is maybe it's kind of goes in a ring, I guess, because it says Jifeng Bay Underground Ring. So I don't know exactly what that means, but here comes a bus, and I'm just gonna grab some change, see what they tell me that it takes, you know, how much it is, because I'm not really sure, and then we'll just kind of jump in. So we'll see if 3 works, and see how we'll follow somebody and see how they do it as well. I think they're all going to use codes, but so we got 2. So we got 2. Okay. So it looks like we're going to try to get on the bus, and we'll just see how this all works. These are for handicap. These are handicap as well. So I'm just going to stand, and then we're going to see if we can figure out. If we can figure out how to navigate this. Actually, that's kind of going through a ring right there. Actually, this could have just saved me a lot of time. Because I think I was kind of wanting to go over this road anyways. And so what I might be able to do is just get off at the next stop. So we'll see. Okay, so I don't know exactly where we're at, but we're gonna get off this spot here. Then we're just gonna navigate. At least I'm not in that little circle road thing. And let me see. This is Linjiangbin. So that's where we're at now. So at least we're not where we were before. So we're gonna navigate this way. And I think we can maybe say that all that wanders is not lost. Is that safe to say? Or are we not out of the woods yet? But one thing I did like is that we just climbed some pretty big hills. So now at least we've moved out of that little circle thing that I was in. And now I'm recognizing some of these roads. Minsheng Road and Minzu Road. So those look like they're gonna be, we're kind of up in the area that I wanted to be in, which is great. And now I'm kind of wondering if I shouldn't have stayed on the bus one more, a little bit longer, because I'm still not really sure where we are exactly. And I feel like I'm going to be climbing these stairs. Let's see where these go. Okay, I guess we're going to be going up. So I just saw some people peeking their heads over that way. Let me just kind of see where we are exactly. So it looks like that's all down. That can meander down or up. It smells like pee right here. Oh, okay. Jifeng Bay Street Community Health Service Station. So I think we're kind of in the area that we need to be in. There's a toilet. So we're just going to go around the corner and try to see if we can't navigate this direction. And I'm still not sure where we are exactly, but I do recognize a few of the names around here, like the Minsheng Road. And these public toilets are kind of a good sign too, because that means we're a little bit in a tourist area. And this is actually super cool because these are all books. Wow. Love the covers. Because this feels so cultural. Looks kind of American. This one looks... Huh. Let's see what else I got. So, okay. Gonna just take a look. Hello. I got a ginseng one. Actually, it's kind of cool. Just a different variation of all the book covers as well. Hello. Hello.
Nice to
Good to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm American.
America.
Yeah.
Oh,
Migug. Yeah, Migug.
I want you and I take a photo.
Okay, sure.
Hello?
Yeah. Got a camera?
Wait for.
Okay. Okay. I'll be here. No worries. Thank you.
多存几张啊？哎，男的碰到去多存，多。帮，到这边碰。我看，哎，快，到这边，到这边。
3、2、1。
好，就像这样的，你到这边，到这边。转过来，哎。
I'll get the book area.
哎。我不用看你头，好。Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you. So I don't know if he works here or if he's just a guy walking by, but whatever. I think he must work here. Let's just kind of see what other books are here. This is kind of cool. Yin Yang. Yeah, I wish I could read. I wish I knew what these books were because there's definitely some interesting stuff around here. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I guess that's all his shop, I think, or either that or he's just really into books. So yeah, all who wander are not lost. Sometimes you find all kinds of cool stuff in the most unexpected places, and so no. Anyways, speaking of unexpected cool stuff, check out that temple over there. And I think on this note, I think I'm actually kind of know where we're at. I can recognize some of these street signs, and I know we're kind of in this tourist area now as well. So I'm gonna end this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. All that wander are not lost because they often find really cool stuff everywhere and meet interesting people and have good experiences, like myself. And on that note, ciao.
Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.